Roger, our customers keep asking us about social media. I'd like permission to spearhead the launch of the company's social media presence.
I like your initiative. But let's talk about your plan a bit first.
Sure thing. What would you like to know?
Well, for starters, what is social media?
Essentially, social media is the solitary activity of typing messages online to people you don't really know.
People we don't know? Mike, I think.
No, you don't understand. I should not have said people you don't know. They are actually friends. Well, they are kind of like friends. They're more like strangers whom we have to follow online and convince them to become our friends.
That sounds like a cyber stalker.
No. You see, my mom used to say new friends are just strangers you have not met yet. Yeah, that is it. Social media is all about typing messages to stranger friends.
Mike, that's not right. Everyone knows social media is engagement, usually through web-based or mobile technology platforms. It is engagement that fosters dialogue and information sharing among various parties.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am positive.
I am going to have to look this up on the Googles. If this is true, I will have to tweet this out to my Twitter peeps. They will be amazed.
Mike, social media isn't a game.
But everyone else is already on social media. I don't want to be the last one on the interwebs.
Mike, the best thing you can do for the company is figure out the fundamentals of social media first. What is it? What platforms make sense for our company? What should our voice be? And how can we make effective use of social media for our brand?
I guess you were right.
Mike, I promise you I am right. You'll see. We will be better off for having approached the creation of our social presence with a great deal of care rather than rushing in.
Agreed. Besides, once I have a really firm mastery of all this social media stuff, I can figure out why my mother doesn't get my friend requests on Facebook. I've tried to friend her like 30 times, but she doesn't seem to get the message.
Yes, yeah, Mike. I'm sure it is just that your mom isn't getting the message.